उड़ू ऊंचा।
Hello students, today we are going to learn the sound of the letter G. Say the name of the letter with me. G. Say the sound of the letter with me. G. 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 Let's see if you can hear the G sound in these words. I put sugar on my yogurt. Sugar, yogurt. The eagle and the seagull like eating a burger. Seagull, eagle, burger. This tiger is hungry. He got angry. He wants burger. Hungry, angry, burger. Let's hear the words one more time. Sugar, yogurt, seagull, eagle, burger, angry, tiger.
Like, share and subscribe.